Oman eba electoral commission ni.
Yeah.
Pre-laying of this airline. The electoral commission, I think they should be very careful with certain steps that young person will take. Oman here, your constitution, article 40 of the constitution, are very clear as to what constitutes the qualification for somebody to vote. Was say, Obi when you're 18 years. First of all, I say we are Ghanaian. When you're 18 years, what do you mean count? I say electoral commission a register of Mount Waba. And into case it is attended, that Supreme Court can't say my first animal. And the principle of voting, no, Supreme Court taking it very, very serious. And yeah, they did the agrocra. Yet agree, sir, by Article 45 for the electoral commission as an independent body or fine. But Emrebia electoral commission by a subsidiary to the constitution. Emrebia electoral commission by bar and no a supersede the constitution. By Article 2, I mean, one akano. Consider the Supreme Law of Ghana. Any other law in concern with the Supreme Court, the Constitution, no, already no, it's null and void ab initio. But once a electoral commission to an amubia, what can why I want to say? Say, a Cassasi and fa, say, Enka, and yes, pre even current speaker, and I am an abedru in commandly, I did with cram and a crada. Boss say, what they fin pre no, Brabe Chrimu, and Nema would have good. I mean, airline mono. Mamma for the say, any effect will be aso. Aso, call Mia Diana and Cobase, Obi, or Honoma Untimin Twaba. I mean, Oma say, ye lay, sir, young fan says, San Simwe, Yantimian come once a ye. Near lay bill no. In this current airline in this current state. Not 21 days a pass here. What it means in say even o qualify under Article 42 no. Na say wuni Ghana card you can't be registered as a voter. That is what it means. Because say wuni Ghana card na say whether we are Ghana ni who 18 years and above, why do you know the hokrampo no? Yes, wuni Ghana card you don't even all of these things do not even matter. Enti yen hye so. Ni enkan hu ne say electoral commission ankasa no enka na dwumade ne se obebbo mmode se obe register nipa no mo ama matima to aba ba se electoral commission we no adwe ne se omanyema kora munya din ne nipa ntimi to aba. That I think about that and I don't even understand it. Me hu de ya na ompese omkire o ka so a omkirim ye obeka se jemensa emra omkire ne ma wo ya ase a ompese obeba kora obe appear before parliament to explain things to the people. Emre obeka se omra parliament bia no aso obi na okọ. But Dr. Kojo Farijan used to do all of these things. Obeba, if you have to about Kurabiano, Oba Jirin, what Sremma Nipanya confidence within the system. Banya Jimensa. And she continues to do these things. I hope that Parliament, with the current speaker, and remember case was Jimensa appear before Parliament to explain these matters. I mean, also we know a free special budget committee no. So I report with free special budget committee of Parliament. I'm going to decide whether or not Omama electoral commissions come and find where side way. Na ade ba ko o hwe li unse li mienu wo hoda da li 92 and 126 e wo hoda da ema electoral commission kwa man ye dey fe no continuous registration, but from 2019 or so up to now sa continuous registration electoral commission nye me wa mra we ma no kwan sa wontimi nya sa ade wo no wontimi fa nye ana one thing aye ka ho asem se registration centers nye electoral district enye district centers no o ma ye sa ade no e se political parties ni hwe ni ye pa because it's very dangerous. Hwe Obi wa suboy na so omra offense me register na ofa ka fire suboy o man omra offense enka so say kwa suboy no o spend be 50-60 Ghana cedis just to come and register and go and vote. Why would you do that? Meanwhile enka wanya ne kra nka e wakra ne ka ye ni electoral area basis, but at least okwa that's why I mean company electoral area no a ofia suboy eba company ewa nemum never know which man manager ba do electoral I mean electoral area center na watona ba ba wo se omra district center no this is bi wo hono ma okọ district center no a obi free trade but say America obi free asuboy eba offense obi free wawase eba offense aba be register just to cast their votes during elections. The best electoral commission and the money be a omoya no emma bia yenya suspicion about what they want to do. Kenema mo doing the 2020 elections. On say na mu ye ba na mo kan Nigeria ho asem the violence that were happening there. Sometimes the hypocrisy is so much in Ghana. I was going higher. And I have videos, you know, of the gentleman who was shot there. Baku Kaseba Kukran in the name. Yakata General say uncompensated business. He's not even paying attention to it. And don't visit China unless him here for fra. Obedience to be born now. Nobody will do that again. Nobody will watch this. And these are signals I say. We should wake up before it's too late. Take my south, a see nipa about 8 nation where the move your best in there. You set up commission, there. What has been done? Generally, and teaching a qua. Office will be big for to be born. And sana, you set up commission B. Say commission maybe him. Now, they don't even come out with anything that appeases the people. Oh, and some that we hear the Matana commission, so now I'm a track record. Now we also craft him. They write anything and come and put it before us. And they want us to take those things. And don't mind, you're quite election, you're very careful. Sir, Ella, where Omu Dihun, Komoy, Omunihun Komoye. The electoral commission who say the democracy will better you and to you. Part of it will come from the electoral commission, and they should be careful. The way I'm organizing 2020 election, no, in that haphazard manner, no, nobody will accept that again. And I know the minority in Parliament. I hope they know what they are doing. They know the implications of the kinds of things that electoral commission did the last time. They won't go and do any of those things again because we'll never forgive them. So much now, Emma Ella we pass in this current form. We will never forgive them. Make sure the things are designed in such a way that it portends issues of free and fair elections. Say the be a kotoba who say abo or kotono. Ya mana kwa mana koto. Oh Nigeria name be when nipa as I say some of the things that they are doing. People are picking ballot boxes. Man pick one them and never nipa de yomo. Nobody will spare anybody. The ane here Ghana nyina say young designer system no obi ankoto naba yen kan one when the people decide say this is the person we want, who can question about it? Say our bra wo say obi anya name be kire say we bibia sisi obi ana system of that one no is skewed to favor somebody. Obi no obey say no, but in the situation that from the very beginning who created the impression say I say who bibia opesa okay so people opesa your system no man. You give people the mindset. Someone say, almost some more, and you say, Adia, we are now on Fankoye, Emma, and Cosis will be. Your best electoral commission, Nibium. Just idea now more, you know, or me and South 2020. In fact, COVID time, yes, I like could trade in a manner, we can obey now 1 year. Sal, register understood the whole move. And you are designing another ally to come and I don't know what they want to do with it. When you have the opportunity to register and beef up within the system. Moka say mo yeah ama yeah did by matter one yeah eyelashes one be funding in our BBC you will register under one year pay. I don't know limited registration and so using the same systems. Almost a pay guarantee system now guarantor system now there. But mine wouldn't say last time no be a cancer na see sometimes when they're lying it looks so bizarre. Say okay say ko guarantee mo bi e Ghana card now I know you swear an oath. Little did they know that say mrana de ba no so wo guarantee mo bi amana choro ndi wo letter commission you have to also swear an oath. You have to swear an oath. Both you have to do the same thing on both sides. Meanwhile Ghana card no you know the guarantor system you accept no ho. Ghana card na say fa no bra be twuru di. Ghana card no guarantor system you accept here no. Nemo obi be guarantee mo bi within the letter system there any day we don't accept it. Why? The same thing. Okay Ghana card e bejo o birth certificate. Ne akogina court aka kire say your certificate is not something that can truly identify you as an individual, as a citizen. They say what is our document that can identify us as citizens of Ghana? O man we push us as no. Because you ntimi fa Ghana card nje. Because Ghana card the base document for Ghana card is birth certificate. Birth certificate.
But I think this discussion we have passed.
We have not passed. Oh, it will keep recurring. Oh, so that
no,
is sometimes
it will keep recurring, but at the end of the day,
it has been no, and that is the problem.
When the decision is made,
the decision is made. We have passed. So bringing all those in a quiet court to that one, Bobo.
No, yeah, but
why can't we move forward?
See,
now you say the problems, honorable. The problems the Ghana card is facing now. Nipa nyabi. Na abino is indebted to, you know, other than kind of.
Exactly.
Now you put pressure on the government to get the Ghana cards available.
The entire enquire say, what to keep a Ray Akoto?
Ray Akoto,
yes. In the during the Nkrumah era.
Maybe.
Nipa bi a umfisa omuye bonibi ye do
with all Ray Akoto, Supreme Court has ruled.
Even with Ray Akoto, the Supreme Court has ruled. Afi bia ye ho lectures. Because we thought that the Supreme Court got it wrong.
Yes, but
in this case,
who has gone for judicial review to change it?
Ray Akoto, nobody has reviewed it.
So then Ghanaians have a right to test it.
Ray Akoto lectures have always been held every year to bemoan how the Supreme Court got it wrong. Me, I would say only the day the Supreme Court got it totally wrong in the case of the birth certificate not being a document of a review of citizens of Ghana, and no, it will linger in our law books forever.
Why don't you
issues to do with this issue of share binding our supply cars in the car. It's not new. Almost about 100 million Ghana cedis. They're not paying. Your electoral commission say they are relying on the Ghana card produced by NIA. NIA is Susababeka. You are not paying them.
No, but we have a long way to go.
Which is the long way to go? Oh, let's see. So why don't you wait with the CI, with the airline? Why didn't you wait? Say a long way to go.
Airline, no, say days no mature. It come into force, and at the end of the day, no.
After 21,
Ghana card.
See, after 21 days, working days, it becomes law. Have we resolved those issues with NIA?
But say NIA see Omunya Sikana.
Who himself last year? Who himself has started from last year?
And still,
it be seen there. Almost about 2.4 million people will register. Bad. That time, no more ask them no. It be seen there. They have not done that.
They are still talking
and they have
about
not even disaggregated the data. And if I'm saying, and they are minors, and we say they are foreigners, and we say they qualify some Mutuaba. Have they done that for us? They haven't done that. NIA by now should have been able to do district by district, constituency by constituency. Tell us, registered voters how many Ghana card nibi. Ye kasi ye ka ye SIM card mu. Nipa omu ye queue. Sana mu fise enkrase ye. Kuma se na queue ni a. Enkran queue ni ho. Even ne amount for it tells you how deficient the system is. So we cannot even rely on this.
What's your suggestion?
My suggestion here, we have always written our names to vote in this country. But can
we always do the status quo?
You can't say, you see a problem. What say Ghana be used to Ghana card as a sole document. But we only come to that conclusion where we have come to settle, say, Nipa be a money have been a man Ghana card. Have they done that? Ma obia potential voter be a Ghana have been a Ghana card. What my mom? You have not been able to do that. And yet you are jumping, falling over yourselves.
And you cannot also deny somebody from voting.
From voting. And this is how we are running back into force. Now catch and say we need Ghana card in tea. On team register. What are you calling for? No fault of the person. Obia register for almost more than 1 year ni. Or call the beer when you card. And to say the panel, what source be on yes one register? The one mama register, I won't say register to write your name to vote and yan share. But my beer, no be say o me metro me di. But nipa way, what trying to NIA say man card for years o man card. Wo already this and also no call say trendi. Na catch say oni Ghana card do trendi. Who has denied the person of getting the Ghana card? When you can want some. And one, and maybe an account no among phone tia copim say a bessay at the set economy I papa once ya. Yes, I say can ya. Some crop baby on me o my nami. Nobody listened.